In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically DM on Instagram when someone comments on your post using ManyChat. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive in. ManyChat is an incredible tool that can help you streamline interactions with your followers and take your Instagram engagement to the next level. Imagine automatically responding to comments on your posts with a personalized direct message. It's a fantastic way to enhance communication, promote your content, and boost your brand presence on social media. First, you'll need to make sure you have a ManyChat account set up and linked to your Instagram professional account. If you haven't done this yet, simply log into ManyChat, and from there, connect your Instagram business account. It's straightforward. Once you're in ManyChat, navigate to the Automation tab located on the left menu. Take a moment to explore, and you'll find many options available. Now, once you're in the Automation section, look for the New Automation or New Flow button. This is where the magic begins. Click on this to start creating your automated flow. This is essentially your template for how many chats will run once someone comments on your posts. What you'll want to do next is select a template. Don't worry if you're not entirely sure where to begin. ManyChat has some pre-existing templates to make things easy. Search or choose the template titled Auto DM Links from Comments. Or if you're feeling adventurous, you can start creating your automation from scratch. Now, let's talk about what happens next. Setting the trigger. The trigger is what will let ManyChat know when to send a DM. Click on the options that allow you to set up the condition for user comments on your post or reel. At this stage, you get to decide if your automation will apply to a specific post, all posts, or perhaps even your next post. Once you have your trigger set, you can take it a step further. Consider selecting specific keywords that would prompt your DM response, such as guide or info. Keep in mind that many people often misspell words, so adding common misspellings could improve your responses. After setting your keywords, the next task is to configure how the public reply and the direct message will work. You want to ensure that your followers not only receive a DM, but also see a public reply on your comment. This encourages engagement on the post itself, leading to further interaction and visibility. Now let's focus on content. It's important to craft a message that resonates with your audience. You may want to include a button element in your message that links to a resource or your website. Perhaps you have an ebook to promote or a special offer. Make sure you toggle the status to Publish or Go Live to activate your automation. Once everything is set up, test it out by leaving a comment on one of your own posts. It can be exciting to watch your newly set automation in action. Keep an eye on your DMs as you engage with your followers. When using ManyChat in this way, not only do you enhance your responsiveness, but you also build a stronger rapport with your audience. Remember, automation doesn't mean losing the personal touch. It means working smarter, not harder. And that's all there is to it. With just a few steps, you can set up an automated DM response to comments on your Instagram posts. So go ahead and give it a try, and watch how it transforms your engagement. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy chatting!